Okay, so this is a little bit of an addendum to what we were looking at before. I was having a hard time trying to figure out how to assign an NA value. I think I've done it. So this before I was trying to come up with a way to put in NA, and this is NAN is the way you look at NA values in Python. So it's the DF location, data frame location, 2000, 2 million I should say, and the variable sales dollars, I want that to equal NAN. You got to put that in quotation marks. So I'm going to run that. Done that. Now I'm going to have null data pull out where this thing is, and we're going to run this. So it should give me a new, it should just tell me I have one line that has a null data set. So let's take a look at it. No, it's still, I was hopeful. All right, so at least I know how to get that in there. I don't know whether or not I can figure out how to, and if I make it blank, let's try that. Now let's try null data and see if it says I have at least one line of null data in there. Nope, still telling me there's nothing in here. So I haven't quite figured out how to get null data unless I have this be completely blank, or maybe I have to put in a space. Come on, show me just one. No, still showing me nothing. Because if I put in this in 0, I can get NAN. I can show that I am putting in NAN into that sales dollars for the very first observation. Because I'd like to show that this actually does work, this piece of code here where you're trying to figure out, right? So that's NAN. So I don't know why that's not coming up as a null value. I'll do a little bit more research and see if we can come up with an idea. Okay, did a little bit of research and went on to Google, found this in Kite, and you have to first set your NA value to equal float, quotation marks, NAN. That's how you get it to be not a null value. So what I did is I said, okay, well, here we go. Let's set that. NAN is equal to float NAN, and then I assigned my location, right? And let's do 2 million. Let's set that to, now I also set 0 as NA as well, so I should have 2. And now let's get all of the null data. All right, so we'll come up with a null data frame and should have 2 values. One is going to be the first index, and the other one is the 2 millionth index. So it's just a matter of me getting my NAs correct. All right, so that's great. Now, let's come down here and let's replace those NAs with the median. So let's calculate the median, and then we will put in, we'll fill those in, and we'll be able to see it because I'll bring up DF, but let's fill those in with the median. So let's assign the median. So the median should be about the same as what we've been seeing it, right? And here's the median, $19.99, that was the median. And now we'll assign the 2 ones that have the missing values, the ones that here, we'll assign those, and we can even do it this way. We can just say, okay, go to null data, and then under sales dollars, fill that with the median, right? And we'll do that. This is just to show you that both of them will get filled in. So we go to null data, and now they both have that 1999, which was the median value. So just, this is a little bit of an addendum because I was kind of got messed up trying to find out how to do this and show you that it does work. I've now been able to show you that it does actually work.